Gold and silver both have started the week on a slight bearish note. You can see now gold's trading with the support at 1938 and silver at 2350. So now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also, and hence press the bell icon. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Also, you can remain updated with the market moves by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Now, look at the hourly charts here. See, this was the consolidation zone here earlier. In between 1930 1938, we have seen, see, it has touched this support level. Now, 1938, which we have seen as a resistance earlier on the hourly charts, it has touched this level again, and now trying to find out some support. Now, if you look at this complete movement, 1932 to the 38, median 35, and hence 35 should be a good support. Below that, again 1932 and then 1930 till 1930, it has got very good support, and hence you have to trade with caution. But yes, you can sell at 1935 levels right now. Only below 1935 we can expect little bearishness. Coming to stochastic, this is, now see, MACD has crossed over here. It is trading with divergence. It is trying to look downwards. It can try to pull the prices little down here. You can see this is a rise. So it is, if it is bearish, it can try to pull the prices little down here. RSI looking down. It is also trying to suggest little bearishness. Coming to 2-hour charts, if you look at 2-hour charts, this is a second straight red candle. Also, if you look at the highs, there is a good resistance is seen at around 1945-50 zone, which is anyway the good resistance zone. Now, let's have a look at the broader picture. See, this was the retracement earlier, then drop, then this retracement, then drop, lower lows, consolidation. Yes, in fact, one should note that it has achieved lower lows before retracing on the up. So yes, it has created a bearish channel for itself. You can find out. See, lower lows, lower highs, and just barring this exception, this is slightly falling outside the channel. However, if you look at, this is trying to trade in this bearish channel on the 2-hour charts. However, one must note that, see, first support at 38, then 35, and then 32. These are very good support levels. Only and only if it breaks now below 1930, that is where the bears will take the charge and it will pull the prices little down. Else, getting the support from these levels, forming double bottom, it can again bounce back. This is my expectation. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is bullish here, trying to converge a bit. Means can converge, crossover for sell. RSI looking downwards here. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts as well, see, can you see some identity, you can some similarity in this move. You can look at this and this, almost it appears to be similar, but right now it is looking on the downside. So see, what follows here is almost what is I can see here, and then this rise. So possibly taking support from here, it can try to bounce back. That is what we can expect at a later stage, if and only if it stays above 1930 levels. Till 1930, possibility of a bounce back will be very high. Else what will happen, it will try to stretch to the lows of this channel. Now look at the stochastic. This is looking down here. This is bearish. The MACD, which was extremely divergent, it is trying to converge a bit, but yes, remember, it is still below zero levels, which is still a bearish sign, and it has still got some room for it to continue with the upward move. RSI looking down. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now on the 4-hour charts also, see a flat bottom here in this candle. This was a reversal. This is first red candle, second red candle here. Possibly, I will definitely watch out for again the same observation here, how it behaves at around this zone. But yes, right now it is trading with a bearish pull. It is trading with a downward move. Stochastic here is also looking down. The MACD, which was trading with extreme divergence, it is trying to converge. However, one must note that, see, the wave is not yet complete, because see, downside where it will go, though it can, but right now it is it appears probably it should look forward to a little recovery here, and hence couple of red candles does not mean that it will turn bearish. That is my expectation. RSI looking downwards here. Coming to daily. Now see, on the daily charts, these two candles getting resistance here, then the opening here, it is also bearish. It is trying to look down. However, Once it breaks past this zone, that is the time only when the bulls will take the charge, or rather I will say once it breaks past 1950, that is the time when the bulls will take the charge and the prices will move higher. Till 1950 one has to remain watchful, cautious, alert. Yes, you can buy at 1945. However, till 1950, do not think of the bulls out there, do not think of the bullishness there in, and this is only for today. Now look, the previous few candles, lower highs, lower lows, it is yet failing to touch at least the 20 and 50 period moving averages, and the 20 and 50 period moving average again crossed over. That is a slight bearish sign for the near term. Let's see if it continues to diverge. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish divergent, RSI is also looking down. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 1935 levels. Expect 1932, 1930 itself is a good support zone. You have to be careful there. Below that, we may see it hitting 24, 26 levels, and then 1918, my favorite, will come into picture. Also on the daily charts, I have told several times that till 1900, the chances of a pullback will remain strong. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 1945. Expect till a little resistance till 1950. Once it breaks past 1950, that is the time then when the bulls will take over and the prices will rally. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now see, silver on the hourly charts skipped downwards movement, red candles. However, look at the price is not willing to stay bearish. 2350 indeed is a good support. 2340, 2350, 2360. This zone completely we have been tracking since long. It is a good resistance support levels here. Yes, if you see it trading about 2360, which means that the selling price excluding the spreads and the SEPs, this price should be about 2360. At that point you can buy, expect 70, 80. Now beyond 80 is the level beyond which silver will fly for 24, 2420, 2450. Till 2380 we have to exercise extreme caution and you have to put your stop loss at your entry price. On the downside, you can sell here at 2350. However, 2340, very good support. 2320, the next strongest support. Stochastic looking down here. The MACD crossing over for a sell here on the hourly charts as well. RSI looking down. That is a slight bearish indication. Coming to 2-hour chart. Now, likewise here on the 2-hour charts as well, you can find out there is a good resistance seen at 2370, 2380 levels. For today, you can buy here at 2360. However, 7080 you should be watchful of. Risky traders should exercise caution till then. Now, if you look at what it is trying to see, the retracement here, and now again looking downwards, the green candles are smaller, the red candles are with increasing body size. We have to be watchful here, or else it can try to see what it is trying to do is after this sharp drop, it is trying sideways into this bearish zone. I will wait for 2380 on the upside to be breached. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit, crossover for sell. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour chart, see price is divergent from the moving average, converged till towards moving average giving it a resistance on the upside. With that, it is trying to drop. Also remember, the complete movement so far is engulfed between this candle movement. In fact, the body itself, the complete movement is engulfed between this greener body, and hence it is not to be treated bearish till the time 2020 is respected. Stochastic is looking down. The MACD is in green. See, MACD crossover here at the quite bottom, quite low levels, which suggests that there could be a rise. However, right now, it is trying to it is trying to converge, and then possibly it can cross over here. RSI is looking down. Coming to 4, on the 4-hour charts, you can see a reversal sign with that second red candle. It can try to complete the building here till 2340, and from there a possible rise can be seen. However, right now it is trying to trade bearish. Stochastic looking down here. MACD has crossed over, trading in green, and RSI is flat. Coming to the daily. Now, if you look at the daily chart, see these 4 are beautifully aligned. Lower highs they are giving and lower lows they are giving. This is an expanding and increasingly bearish triangle. I will wait till 2340 levels for you to sell. Below 2340 is where the bears will try to take the charge, and then till 2320 we have to watch. Below that, certainly more bearishness. When I say to watch, it means to put your stop loss at your entry price and see if it breaks past 2320. Else, put a trailing stop loss, close it, and then re-enter if it drops below 2320. And on the upside, entry is clear at 2360. Beyond that, you can expect 2370, 80 till 2380. Possibility for it to reverse exist, and hence beyond 2380 is where I will look forward to a rise till towards 2420 levels. In fact, 2450 cannot be denied. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is starting today. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great, profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.